God. Oh my God, she hit her right in the face. Oh. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Zeline hits the floor so hard.
Oh my God. Absolutely insane to do this on a modeling show. They put these girls in a boxing ring and have them literally fight each other. And they pin them against girls they don't like. And they say you have 3 minutes to beat each other up. Ding ding. Have fun. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Oh my God, boxing. I never done this before. I'm gonna die.
Hello, models. Hi. Welcome to the ring, the stage for your next task. Since you are at the midpoint of your supermodel quest, you are each other's toughest competition. You will be paired off for today's knockout bout.
In boxing? They're gonna... Okay.
You will be paired with
a trainer?
Prisca.
Okay.
No, hell no. I'm very
Wait, what?
alive right now.
Oh my God, wait. Okay, if you watched, this is messy. This is so messy. If you didn't watch the last reaction video, I'll have a link in the description. But basically, Prisca and Zeline both don't like each other. They got into an argument in the last episode. And just so happens, coincidentally, would you believe it? They are partners today for a boxing challenge.
No, hell no. I'm very scared for her life right now.
For her life?
Melanie.
What about your life?
Fighting Quynh Anh.
Yo, but wait, hold on 1 second. Did you just say you're going to be fighting, she's going to be fighting someone? This is a modeling competition, okay? We're supposed to be doing photo shoots, getting our nails done, getting makeup. How did we end up at the WWE ring?
Melanie, you will be fighting Quynh Anh. Nikki, you will be going against Hannah. And lastly, TJ, you will be fighting Isabelle.
You'll be fighting Isabelle, okay.
It's so scary. Because TJ is crazy.
You will go head-to-head
TJ.
in a 3-minute boxing match. The winners from today's
3-minute
bout
boxing
will
match.
receive valuable time with Cindy.
That's not worth it. No, I'm gonna definitely not do this. If I was on the show and for modeling, and they said you're gonna do a boxing match, and the prize for it is gonna be time with Cindy. No, is Cindy coming with a check for $100,000? 3 minutes is a long time to be in a boxing ring with someone who hates you. Let's make that clear, okay? Let's make that clear.
Cindy, she's like my inspiration. So that really gave me so much motivation to beat like the shit out of Hannah.
Let the battles begin!
That's it? That's the only prize? I wouldn't even get in there. I'd just be like, I'm gonna watch from back here. They have any? Oh, they're doing training. Of course, they're gonna train before they fight each other.
Just go for it.
1, 2.
Okay. Just just a quick 5-minute. They're like, of course, well, we're not gonna send you in without some boxing training experience of 10 minutes right before your match.
Quinn's my bunk bed mate, and we're really close. But it's still a competition, and I'm determined to win.
1 and time.
In the red corner, Quynh Anh.
I will not give Melanie any chance. Fight for Vietnam. Kick out Philippines.
This is like a WWE match for real.
In the blue corner, Melanie.
Okay, just let them stand there and do 3 minutes.
It's cute with that headgear. It's gonna be easy to win her.
Okay.
Bye,
Oh my God. Oh my God. That was an actual. They're actually taking this seriously. I saw a full punch right there. I don't even think they started the timer. She's like, I'm trying to sit with Cindy. All this to hang out with Cindy from the show who just screams at the models all day. I personally would not be throwing any punches. I would be throwing myself out of this ring into the nearest restaurant and then calling my mom to come get me because I'm not doing any of this for valuable time with Cindy from the show. I already see her during the judging. She eliminates people every week. I'll just talk to her then.
My best friends, and I punch her.
Oh my God.
Quynh goes crazy.
What the hell? Oh my God.
Quynh Anh makes me laugh so much, but she's tough.
Oh my God. Well, oh my God.
Melanie punched my head.
Okay.
This is still here, right? Oh, thank God.
Okay, what the?
I don't like to leave, and I will never.
Yo, oh my God. Do you have this? She has experience. There's no way after that 5-minute walkthrough that she's punching like that, and she hasn't done this before. I mean, she was hitting she was making contact every single punch. That's crazy.
I will never ever.
How are they judging this? Like,
Time.
So proud of you guys. I was
proud of what, DJ? Proud of what?
Be a close tie.
And your winner,
How would you decide?
blue corner.
Oh my God.
Year one, I get to talk to Cindy, and it's a really special prize.
Is it? I would prefer cash, personally.
In the red corner, Nikki.
I'm feeling very pumped. I'm confident that I'm gonna beat her.
In the blue corner, Hannah.
Nikki's a tough girl, but when it comes to stamina, I'm your girl.
Oh my God. See, that's respectable, right? The small. Oh my God. Oh my God. No,
I'm going all out. I'm like punching
Nikki.
Hannah
Oh
just
my
into
God.
face.
Imagine you break her nose doing that. The way she makes her money is by posing her face, being photographed. This is evil in a way to have models do this. Again, knowing that that's their job, is to just have a pretty face and make sure that your skin looks good. And then to put them in a ring where they can just beat up each other for 3 minutes. And you don't even have a good prize. Evil.
I'm like punching Hannah, just aim for her face.
Aiming for her face.
I'm getting hit in the head, right and left, and I really need to just snap back into it because
You're literally boxing. Oh my God.
I'm never gonna forgive myself.
Hannah, she's quite fast, and I was like, this deer really becoming a lion right now.
God. Oh my God.
I'm all out of gas, like, whew. And I was just like, come on, like, last minute, just do it.
Oh my God. Oh my God, she hit her right in the face. Oh my God. Is that blood on the floor?
And your winner, in the blue corner,
I was kind of
Yeah. Oh. The shock on Nikki's face when Hannah is announced the winner after we just saw Nikki land 20 punches in a row. Who is judging this? And why are we still doing this?
I was kind of shocked, but I understand she was consistent, so I was like, oh, okay, whatever.
I'm sorry.
Up next, we have Zeline and Prisca.
Oh God.
Zeline and Prisca's pair up. I'm like, juicy.
in the red corner, Zeline.
Okay, can you just start
In
the
the
timer?
blue corner, Prisca.
They're really taking this seriously.
Box.
Just punch, Zeline.
Oh.
Just punch.
I was a bit worried because she can be a little bit like crazy.
God,
And I'm like,
Zeline.
Zeline,
What about what you just learned 5 minutes ago? Oh
Oh my goodness. Zeline hits the floor so hard. We're all so shocked.
relax.
You okay? Ready, continue?
I don't want to lose.
Continue fighting each other?
Prisca
Oh.
is like so scary. She keeps throwing punches at me.
Why are they doing this? This is crazy. Oh my God.
Keep it up, girls. Entertain me. Love it.
DJ, now is not the time, DJ.
I keep on like dodging.
No turn yet.
But I can't.
That's it.
She's fell down.
That was a
3
long
times,
3 minutes.
So, game over, Zeline. I feel so ashamed.
And your winner
boxing.
by referee stop contest in the blue corner.
Okay, it's not a real fight, sir.
I actually really respect her for standing up 3 times. I can move on now and focus on myself.
She's like, I beat her up and now I can move on from this. So all it took was her knocking out Zeline 3 times. She's like,
I can move on now. Our drama is resolved. We're fine. We're best friends, actually. The third time she hit the floor, that's when I was like, you know what? Let's end this feud, Zeline. What do you say? Okay, get up off the floor and pick up your tooth. It's right there. Also, you have a bald spot right here. I took out the hair when I was punching you.
Come on, guys. Last fight.
In the red corner, TJ.
I want to win so bad.
In the blue corner, Isabelle.
I'm all about peace and love. I don't want to like punch her. I don't want to go for real. I'm still hesitating, but my thought hasn't even finished yet, and all I see is fists coming towards me, and I'm like,
oh. Oh my God.
I am just aiming at Isabelle's head. I'm like,
That's not even.
kill
That's
this bitch.
crazy.
TJ and Isabelle, oh, it's like a
she's-
nail-biting match. Both
she's
of them
hitting
are
her
throwing
head.
out these
Oh
moves.
my God.
So much is going on.
I just kept
God.
shouting because I am so drained. Your arms are just like.
Last 10 seconds. Just win this thing. Win it.
What is the point of this?
I just die the moment I finish my 3 minutes.
Absolutely insane to do this on a modeling show. One thing happens to your face, you're done with modeling. You're not gonna model after that. So again, the fact that they have these girls throwing punches at each other, I don't care if they have the protective headgear, it doesn't matter because people still get hurt. They could get a concussion, can't they, from being hit, even with the protective gear, right? That's crazy. And some of the punches they were hitting them like right here in the face, like their nose. You could easily break your nose and then guess what? Say goodbye to modeling. You're not modeling anymore. I mean, you're going to be out for however many months it takes for you to recover. And who's paying for that? If something happens to you, if you get cut or like someone hits your eye, something happens.
And your winner
TJ.
in the red corner.
TJ won. Very, very proud. Love myself.
Melanie, Hannah, Prisca, and TJ, congratulations, our winners for today!
Okay, where's the check?
You will be treated to an exclusive nightcap with Cindy at Singapore's swankiest social club, 1880.
Not worth it. Not worth it.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
Knowing that I lost a chance, having a
Knowing
dinner.
that you could have lost your tooth. she's like, knowing that I lost the chance with Cindy, dinner with Cindy. That's the least of my concern, okay? If you just did a facial and then you want me to be in the boxing ring, that's going to be a problem. Pure evil to have these girls be in a boxing ring with no experience. They don't even put them on the same, like they don't match up your height or anything. Nothing, no rules, nothing. They just put them in based on who hates who more. And then they're like, okay, you have 3 full minutes. Have fun. And we're going to treat you to dinner if you survive and don't have a concussion after this. Okay, let's see this dinner. No, this dinner, there better be like a cashier's check under the plate. If not, I'm not going to be happy with this nightcap. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for you to build your business and brand online. Whether you're just starting out, you want to manage a growing brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful looking website, engage with your audience, and sell anything that you can think of. Squarespace has so many amazing features. You can create your own online store, whether you want to sell physical or digital products. Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. You can also handle appointments using Squarespace. You can offer online, in-person private sessions, workshops, or even group classes. Squarespace provides everything you need to manage your schedule, accept secure payments, send automatic reminders, and beautifully showcase your services and more. How you display your work is really important, and Squarespace makes it easy by having so many customizable features. With a click of a slider, you can change how large or small your photos are. You can add space in between each picture. I love how they have so many different options for you to display your work the way you want it to be seen. You can start a free trial by going to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use my offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All the information will be in the description.
Walking to 1880, we see Cindy looking so gorgeous in her evening gown. I just feel so blessed to be here right now.
The drinks are here. Well deserved, ladies.
Thank you.
That's it.
So, how are you guys feeling?
Where's the
I
bread?
don't have much experience, so being here at this point, it's like
where's the
I'm
fettuccine?
so happy. Yeah, I'm so blessed.
I feel your passion. I feel your want to prove yourself, and that's great. Everyone's coming in at different levels of experience.
But with
This
no
is a whole new
experience in
ballgame,
boxing.
right?
It is.
Yeah.
The first week, it knocked me over because I was at the
Just
bottom
like you guys
three,
were knocked out in the
but-
ring. What are we doing here? You're just gonna have a little chit chat. Cindy, where is my cashier's check? And how are you gonna deposit the money into my checking account for having me get beat up by the girl who hates me? Because you're not just gonna give me like a little apple juice and have me wear this dress and not pay me for my suffering.
For me, Cindy, how I can improve overall in shoots.
You really need to be able to break out of that bubbly, perfect world peace.
That doesn't answer the question.
You have to be able to channel.
Show her poses.
raw emotion.
Is there any feedbacks for me?
For you moving forward, you need to really tone down the quirkiness and be grateful
That's her
for every single
personality.
minute, And there's gonna be times where you're just.
Did she just told TJ to tone down her quirkiness. What about you, Cindy? Would you ever tone down your voice? Because you scream through the entire photo shoot, 90%, and the judging too. But you're going to tell her to tone down her quirkiness? No.
And be grateful for every single minute, And there's gonna be times where you're just pissed off and frustrated and want to rip your hair out. But this is all part of your growth.
The girls at home, they will be so jealous because we get all these personal feedbacks, which is something that they will never, ever get in their lifetime.
TJ, Habibta, TJ, that's not true. Because that was very vague, general advice. It doesn't serve anyone, it doesn't help or benefit anyone. It's just very surface level advice. Yeah, you just be grateful. I could go on the internet and just people on Reddit can tell me that for free. I don't need to go through in a boxing match to get that advice.